Hello everyone, this is your tarot card or tarot message for today. This is a timeless reading. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakakasubaybay sa ating YouTube or Facebook page, please don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe. Pick tayo ng one card, tarot card. This will be your tarot card for today or tarot message. Nang nakuha natin ay Page of Wands. So, you may be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you are dealing with one. So, the card is describing this person as enthusiastic, optimistic, creative, sometimes impatient, no? So pwedeng very creative siya, very passionate, madali siyang ma-excite, pero yun na nga, may mga times din na madali rin siyang mawalan ng gana, or pwedeng wala siyang hindi siya masyadong matyaga, no? Ayan may pagka-impatient. No, madaling mainip. Yan, madaling mainip itong person na ito. If this is a situation, this card is telling you that there is news. Ayan, magandang balita, exciting opportunities. Ito yung opportunity o situation allowing your creativity to soar. Ibig sabihin, this situation will give you the opportunity na gawin kung ano yung mga gustong-gusto mong gawin, what you are excited, inspired to do. Do things that fuel your passions. If this is an advice, yun yung sinasabi niya, do things that fuel your passions. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon, ng saya, what keeps you excited, what keeps you motivated. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na yan. Kung ano yung mga bagay that inspires you. Okay? Create or do the things that you love, that inspires you. At, most importantly, finish what you start. Yun yung advice sa'yo. Kasi nga, you have the tendency, if this is you, no? Kung ikaw itong fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius na tinutukoy dito, the advice is finish what you start. Oo, gawin mo yung mga gusto mong bagay, pero make sure na tatapusin mo. Kasi maraming tao ganyan Hindi sila nagkakaroon ng success because mahilig lang silang mag-start, ma-excite sila, and then magi-start uli sila ng iba kapag nawala na yung excitement nila doon sa ginagawa nila. Yung parang, sabihin na natin, pwedeng impulsive kung ano-ano yung sinisimulan, and then kapag nawalan na sila ng inspiration or ng gana, lilipat na naman. Ending is, wala silang na-accomplish. Okay? So, yan. This is your tarot card or tarot message for today. Take care. God bless. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.